Hi guys, and it's Karis from the Silly Siblings. Now, today we're going to be opening this squishmallow mystery box. Okay, let's get started. But just before we start, just so you know, disclaimer, there'll be people talking in the background because I have family around. Yeah. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's like a little cat box. Like things on the side. So here's the back. You can open it. Okay. Oh, this is a tough one. Okay, there you go. Got it open. Okay. So now it's just a little. Oh, there you go. Don't fall. So now it's like a little purple cat. Okay. Now let's open it. No, yeah. Okay, so let's see which one I got. Oh my gosh, it's Easter themed, so I got this really cute little chick. Okay, let's find out their name. Oh, I'm really excited for this. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, say hello to the world, my little chicken. Oh, let's see their name. Okay, so she is called Tristan.
Oh, this is a matching. I think what you were saying.
Okay, so let's read what it says. So Tristan is rarely seen without his twin sister. Oh, it's a boy. Trina. They join the same clubs at school and even have the same class schedule. But one place you won't find Tristan is the pool. He's afraid of swimming. So, welcome to the world, Tristan. Oh, yeah. Let's go show you to my friends. Let's go take you to the other kiss. My other friends upstairs. Let's go. Okay. Come on, Tristan. We gotta add him to the family. So, gonna introduce you. So, okay? Yeah. Let's go and show you who we got. So, this is Chrysanta. This is Cam. This is Todd, also part of an Easter bundle. Here we've got Robert and Wendy. And here we've got my little sheep. Sadly, I lost the name tag, so I forgot her name. So sad. So for now, we need to think of a name. So in my next video, I will be going round and I will be giving you guys a list of names, and I'm giving you guys a list of names, and if it gets like a certain amount of likes, then we'll go for that name. Got it? Nice. Joining us is Daisy. I also lost the name tag, so I also forgot her. So I just called her Daisy, my little Daisy cow. But I also like to call her, him or her Milkshake Marvin. It depends on how I'm feeling. So it's a boy and a girl. Tristan, and down here Tristan, we've got Mac. My sister gave him to me. Harry Potter. And that was it, Tristan. I hope you feel welcome. Okay, now let's join you with Todd, our chicken. Oh my gosh, you look so cute next to your chicken buddy. Okay, bye. Send a like for Tristan. And also subscribe to my channel to see more videos. We have ASMR content. We have like squishmallow content. We have like loom bands. We have everything on my channel with my brother. So join us next time.